Is everything okay?
Oh yeah, everything is okay. And you?
Everything is fine. Everything is fine. So what do I owe this visit?
Oh, I came here just... I want to give you some advice.
Okay.
You are a woman. I want to talk to you personal this morning.
Okay.
You are a woman.
Okay.
You married 2 people. You married 2 men. How you treat your husbands like that?
Well, have they brought any complaints to you?
Oh yeah.
What did they say I did?
I don't want to enter your marriage, but this issue, you are a woman. How you treat your husbands like that?
What did they say I did?
Let me give you advice.
Okay.
Don't ever do that.
What did I do?
You are a woman. We have to try to cook to your husband.
Cook for my husband.
Let's back to Santiamama. Once you're a woman, you cook food to your husband.
No. Uncle, I want you to understand something perfectly well. I married them. They didn't marry me. I made my money. They wanted to marry me, but they had nothing. So at least you have to assist me little.
No, listen. I know they have nothing. I know you married two men. I know. How you treat them like that? If you come to Ashanti culture, it's not that. You, a woman, try to cook to your husband. How can now your husband cook for you? How?
That's the problem I have with Ghanaians. Your mentality is too caked at one point. You get it? Because when you go outside, it's not mandatory for anybody to cook for nobody. You get it? Hands go, hands come. As long as I'm providing, I get them clothes. I give them the cars they're driving. I give them a place to stay. So why should I be the one to cook for them when they can cook for me? What difference does it make?
But now you're living in Ghana. Ghana, we don't treat a man like that.
A man is supposed to be treated the way he wants to be treated. This is my house and you go by my rules. I work so hard for my money. You get it? I mostly come home tired, stressed, and I've got 2 people in there who want to marry me and I've married them. So don't you think they have to pamper me?
I want to ask you a question.
Okay, sure.
I don't understand. You are a woman. How you married 2 men? How?
Uncle, you and I know very well. They both wanted me, right?
Oh, yes, it was.
And I can't pick one. I had to pick 2 of them. Because I don't know their aim. I don't know their reasons. I don't know if they genuinely love me. But I'm here. And I don't know if they've told you. I don't even sleep with them. Have they told you?
He told me.
Yes, because they both want to sleep with me at the same time. And it's
How
not
you
possible.
Don't sleep from there?
How can I sleep with 2 of them at the same time?
But you don't like that. But you married.
No, maybe this one comes today. The next one comes the other time. I can't sleep with them the same. No, it's not
I'm
done.
not said the same day.
That's what they want. They want it the same time.
With one woman?
Yes, with me, the same time. And it's not done.
With just one tokoro. Everybody enter tokoro.
Yes, and it's not done. At least this one will come on Monday. You give me a day to relax. This one will come the next day, or this one will come for this week, the next week. You get it? At least let me relax. Let me calm my nerves down. They are trying to stress me and it's not done like that.
But please, I beg you, don't ever treat a man like that. Try to cook yourself.
Uncle, this is my marriage and I go with my terms. So if they think they can't cope with my terms, they should just go.
Sure?
Very sure. 100% positive. If they can't cope with my terms, my gate is widely open. They can leave.
Both or one?
Both of them. I don't know which one is complaining to you. But if they are both complaining, they can both go.
Both. Both.
Okay, they can both go.
Do you know I'm standing this marriage for both? It's not one man.
Yeah, so me talking to you, I'm talking to both of them now.
Okay. Show me that I'm just giving you advice.
Thank you.
You have to stop to treat a man like that. We don't treat a man like that. So please, I beg you, we have to calm down and take cool and try to cook both of them. Are you getting my point?
Uncle, this is my marriage. And this is how I want it to go. They should make me happy because I bring in the income. Yes, so they should make me happy.
I know that.
Yes. I don't even think a man is supposed to complain about this. If you love me, you shouldn't complain if you cook for me.
Something like you.
Of course. I don't know what that means, but if you love me, you do what I want. You make me happy.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, Uncle.
For wasting your time.
No, that's fine.
To give me this opportunity.
It's fine, Uncle.
Thank you.
Do you want something else?
Oh, I'm okay.
Okay.
I'm okay.
Have you eaten?
Oh.
I can let them get you something.
Who cook? You?
No, not me. I don't cook. I've got a chef.
Can you call a chef?
Okay. Okay, give me a minute, please.
Okay, sure. Give me a minute. All right.
We got a fish tonight. We up in the air. We up in the air. We got a fish tonight. Let it We up in the air.
Uncle, that's my chef.
This motherfucker chef.
Who's motherfucker? You are the motherfucker. Hey. Not me. You are the motherfucker.
Hold on. What's up?
Okay, man.
Are you okay? That's my in-law you're talking to.
Kankani, do you wanna try to rain me?
What's going on here?
Who are you?
Darko, you mean raining?
Hey. Abaza.
What's going on?
Madam Nat.
It looks like you've got a banter.
So this motherfucker shall cook to me?
Yeah, he's my chef.
No, I'm okay.
You
Masa.
sure?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Masa. Talk well.
I told you, be careful.
You to be careful.
What's going on?
Who are you?
That very day, you gave me insult.
Who are you?
But I'm not saying nothing.
Oh, get out from me.
If you try to insult me,
What you go do? What you go do?
I will deal with you personally.
Hey, you are lying.
Uncle, what's going on?
Oh, I'm okay.
Are you sure? Has he
Don't
disrespected you?
You don't even just show respect.
What respect?
You are disrespecting my in-law.
Yeah, she
Madam, I'm sorry.
me.
Madam, I'm sorry.
What's going on?
Madam, nothing.
You guys have got a banter.
No.
You don't know a person you're dealing with.
Who are you? Who are you?
Okay, show some respect.
Madam, sorry.
Apologize.
Show me apologize. Show me.
I'm sorry.
Have you accepted it, Uncle?
Yeah, I need rice ball and me and corn.
Was that?
Rice ball and me and corn.
What's that?
Madam, you said I don't.
You don't know me and corn. Granite soup.
Granite soup. Okay. Can you make it for him, please? Okay, please do it for me.
Okay.
Thank you.
No, cook me with you.
But I don't know me.
The one I've been waiting for. You're my sunshine on a cloudy day. I realize you're the one I've been waiting for. You are my sunshine on a cloudy day.
My nigga, so I was hoping the door. I told you. told you I'll pin you down. Yeah, don't joke with me. In America, if you go, I curve the garden for a liver.
America, from Lagos.
Oh, America, they want to, crave my garden. You understand? Yeah, because they say my voice is strong. Yeah.
Oh, they say no, come
and it's all for you. Like I told you. See, so you to be with me. Treat you well. There's a physically and spiritually. Wow. After we take you to Shama. We go to Dubai for some holidays.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
See your passport?
Yes, I have.
We go to Dubai. Yes, we want to go to Dubai. What about you? You see? You say no to it. So, this weather is weather for two.
God of Jesus! What?
Oh, my nipple.
Your nipple? Are you serious? And you, Miriam? Hey! I just don't believe this!
Why did you knock before coming?
Enoch, shut up!
Why did you knock before coming, bro? Stop playing with me.
You're already sleeping with her. Oh God. I just can't believe this. Hey! Hey, that wolf, sir! What happened to that Kompany move on?
Calm down, don't worry. Don't go anywhere.
Hey! No! No, this can't be happening. Marcus! Marcus!
Leave her alone. Sasama na samukwana. Opeso di muchi shame. Wanyame mama so. Step mother fuck say. Listen, girl. I'll take care of things. I'll handle you. Okay? Leave this woman. She's a vagabond woman. Leave her alone.
I'm afraid.
Oh no, don't be afraid. See, we are now about to go to round 3. Yeah, Nana. After some member walk round 3, Grana, Jano, Grana, we'll be getting okay. Papa, because I approve. We don't know when. No, wow. My man walk around 3, Grana.
Casanija, when so when you won't carry you. Eh?
Get Mamma. Get name Casa Yemone. Menene Trasino. Get no. Or near not drink say.
Or you may see it.
Or Nimpasa repent to be all. Now, Jimmy Bannet, she said, the warrior and Nena wants Sancorano. On any moment, where you knew.
I don't know what say.
Oh, 7 minutes. I mean, it didn't say. I didn't know one now want to say, baby, what's a shaman by my one time I want to say. I don't say, no, listen, you are a woman. You can marry 2 men.
2 men, 1 man.
Nice.
We
don't treat a man
like that.
How do you treat the man like that? I mean, marriage. Just oh, wow.
Also on the why into the Indian
one twata the summer. No, and so Tabua Pipia, someone Musikato Mobutu. It's a moment to meet you. Why, man? You have to think twice.
If I get you so bad, dear Miano, me Sabia and a young Kubin one in Latinasio. And I just said, Pintias here. You could.
What's it? A Japanese. Then you could move a month for Japanese no one you can come on far.
Over there, how do you have my house? What is it? David, of again, or about what you want to remember, you lose or a simple Zana.
We will go and make my den. Me, a chin was up. Me.
Find already a pundia of a kumba now. Of a
second
a woman's Sabbath,
second of an only a one or 2 seconds on mobile. Then the Japanese people have been what you are not supposed to live more
of a paper see a working and the Japanese are working. So when you found with him, Ukuno. She said, "You do not see any bomb pie." And I said, "Be an entrance in 1 hour." Or before so be your friend say, "On only person, or never pay me, Dimu."
How do you kiss in that distance? You cook papa, sharp papa, cook with the fingerprint. You sharp papa and sap. Every 2 ideas to the standpoint, and I do my Japan.
That's how we can also fingerprint. Where's your sign?
I'm a
Funa or something.
Man, so full and Sam and a sign.
What is signature? A signature, I dream when you say,
or beat me sign a signature to her. Or Columbia sign.
The same thing.
I'm telling you what. I would degree the so.
I would, yeah, a wood by that.
Now, what's your walk?
Mean Chibo, but that's your fault. Now, where you go?
I don't see this support be any near the support when you more prepare near Tenacona. Support I did dangerous rough. Support.
What about you? Send one for the support.
Respect punch.
Respect what?
Punch.
Support.
Respect.
Of our dear, but now, Paddy, come dear.
And I only want you so
and yes, I mean, pay 90 offers in your
catcher one. Melina couldn't come up. Say, be no Danaco. Dear, dear, may meet me a catcher one. Meet me a catcher. Then if you come out, then, sir. You come up of our buyer, why you and the Mukum, wait, but the boy in question was I went to be a found one and tried it. Mammy, boy, you wouldn't boy, that's why I watch. When the boy in that solid, or Bekum, Mammy, for one, with the captain, when you pay a day. What any had when they would tribunal, quite about to look. Don't go on Kunda. So come out in as well, Kuma, Kunda. Brazil, me did down, the gentle on Pemaka. Kumka. Kukumka, Brazil. Say the Kumaka. Kumaka, if you are bare, I used to, I come up and so they will go Kumkum, intimation of the Kumapen. And I bet yes, Kumu. Say you come Rabbi. Dear is too early. Yeah, is too dear. Put some new to say, I met my soul to the afternoon. I 2 minutes. Yea. When Unkumuda, who do so. I walk about the Epa. Unkumuda, oh, me unkoi, come here. I make one major. I make us a war about the China Unipenny free for 5. Ukumu young comes up. And your wabra become one fan, your man, Abeka. Was a bad community, a woman who has something to be. Oh, you come get you know. Can one now? To Pia, who pick my screen. And maybe it's really personally, and Papa and you come up for a Japadi. And then rare and that's support. The two corner. The master man is sponge. Corner now come out to you. They got a respect sponge. Yeah, may call your macaron to one boy. No, oh, wait, Kukura. A master was a damn way. Jimmy, why no meaning say no, but Hammy kill. What am I buying about when Jimmy the key step of ya? You get the back and I don't know you. And I mean, just you, little boy. Castle Bukuni, no boy, you wouldn't boy in the solid. Kunu, we didn't boy in questions of Kunu. But you are over ye. What's the I was a wap rather than you after Bukuni. Me customer met her for Mammy by. Because we mean to say, first of all, over a guy and will. I'm that 10 corner. I have babies from them and Mamma. Eh, back with that 10 corner. Ah, back it to Abby. My blow off his spoon and on a betcha. You don't want to get me. I betcha all the 4 so wait, I'm almost 6 months now for Nigel. Organizer via no bet my pompiama. No organizer. Office people and my door. You think of and if you're coming to me, name the Fakra of the corner. Ukuma hate. I hate you. The who are you come be I enter one way now. Penny Ben, I would to me tremor. Kuma to me tremor almost blah 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 blah. Tongue through. Oh, of our audit. Now, when you from a year, Piano would be poison. What pipe, they say, woman, you know. They say the aduane em fam fra dura em fam fra aduane mu food poison o manyala no.
You tell us I for 15 na ban. Me to me mom.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Are you sure?
But 15 na mom.
Matsudo.
15 no na latest so na so the TikTok na dia di na. O the snapping na dia di. Money ain't shit, you know.
A person with whom it's about the brain.
Yeah. Money ain't shit.
What my befiase? Let me nya ho de uti ato. Enoch boso. Ale dey how? Madam, I don't know be one catch me say
I don't know say me sir. Why are you shouting on me?
Let me tell you.
Of course, yes.
Now silence it.
Baby.
Hey.
Baby girl.
Can I talk?
Baby girl.
All right, baby. You know what? I'm done with you already.
You done with me?
Yes, I'm not interested in you anymore. My boy for family anymore. Can't you see we are enjoying ourselves here?
Ewo. Me akasa mo fa fi.
I thought so because the work kasa feel.
Na wan na si fi.
No, see it.
Yeah, I say valid. Wan na si fi.
I don't care about that one. You know what? I'm here because of my baby.
Oh.
I'm in this process.
Oh.
Can I sit down, baby? Oh my God.
Say kai. Munye sumiye mo. Ni ti atum so. Mo. Obi a wo je ma dem ka shem say. We say na ajimi ana onu woni. Ana ade a me medical ewura me bushia de esi na. Opon wo se ma ka nyi echi no. What's up for one bad interpretation of the
Yeah, Kyekyeku.
who creativity?
Yeah, Kyekyeku. For security reason, you have to live here.
Just say who creativity? I did away. What the Tawatawa? Ba wouldn't move away. You know what? Never wow. When I hear for what's when it's mini. Why? There was that on minute. And when you know. Now, put a chip on one corner to know. A day, I will say a day. Any more, you more, or Macasana, ya had us so few commons, almost did on Monka.
See our Casacasa will be on small Sacasa once and Sao Casacasa.
Ah, Nameka, some of what could you what it? Me what could you tia? Let me more doctors here, let me walk at the mount. The meeting book of the mount. And so how could we see a Mexican coming in? I know.
Shedding last day.
Oh, I am my wife.
Shedding, I didn't get diffuse, Massa.
Like a who's a medical program, dear. Medical,
I prepared that.
Ah, weapon.
My renovation.
Or weapon.
I'm Roman just
We're in pen. In there,
Hello, Daddy, and I put them.
just in there, pen.
Oh, Daddy, and I put them.
Be able to who ras I do my.
Shema, I am a fraud.
On people. I am my wife.
Because I know my come on. Because I know my come on. Yeah, nigga, listen, let me tell you something, bro. Let me tell you something. Right now, you know my girl right here. You know her before, but you don't know her anymore. She's the madam of this house. So whenever you are approaching her, you know, put some respect on it. You understand?
What?
Yeah.
What?
I'm telling you. Me pacho said, so when you did that, on your past tense, you will past participle. So I say, it's who are approaching her, because I'm madam, because you're a madam.
That will be big chill. What short west? What chimpa? Why wouldn't you worry? Bibi Tower so long. wine. Over wine, I wine is a woman. Airport.
Minim sasa fele but getting the name you well so dey no we dey hardcore dey
What na the idea we know anya we don't say timi the guy we obi dia and she very carefully.
Oh one man down
This house very careful. This house
givers is down
so for some book man inside ekumachi na bo bom yam tum na mo bom yam na e dey wo me be fi me no ba me fi go mo
adade be makasa
Hey, me tie me ya.
oh but what's it
chi bi ni tie ya
O bo we no na me tie me ya.
dey say u tie ya when you baby ni tie to tie ya when you before share no di tie to so esie no what Ethiopia airline when you hold ti ato so eti uru say
shit right mama
uru ti ato airport na this
one man is down
you feel say we okay
me ya me na me twi
na ka chi obia 50 is me
Jana dana kata se es obet kata sa se bo kia de sa
Oh, Rade.
ye wo mo munya buki ya tano mo papa to no o mu susu na na wo obi so o nsuo ba obet kasa sa asa no odi odeji ba obwa one man is down
No, I mean, okay, I love you so much. I'm gonna be with you forever, baby.
thank you baby
And I've never been waiting up.
where in them me she
ati leye
say kaka
gebe ena ni be fiasi
kaka no aye
pero sa uto ina ope uto promotion
Mommy, you want to cast them and choose them a pay. And I'm not call for them a pay. So what is wrong with this?
let's say una tu fumba
Oh,
una tu fumba
me dey to be true with him. My opinion am wa ha. Eti me say, onu na nwene ho. Won hwe de ye no wonfa. No ye nso so a won hwe de ye. Akoye mfum so.
ana ka sa be che
o so ana
obi a wan che se ke me na be fiasi na o se tu fu se o ko hwe de no ko hwe
mama nsu
de no ko hwe
mama nsu
de mo de ti o fi asa what if you have no one else me okay when I me see ya we no me did Vaneser be ye je no na wa ni be ga anko say if you are me akata bi mo me blame shala za mo de
ye juma bla ti street this guy obotomo street this no obotomo
ko sa ko de
acha de ya ka na mamna ye be si ye didi
And I'm the cracker.
acha be se ndi
That's what ya be kati na me.
awan ka ya
Mi nya kati ni sa nya awa. Ozo ya ha adwin.
ka
Mana mpacho kati nkwan ka ni se kati nkwan ni de.
oh acha o ya madam of the house if you are madam of the house
Again I'm not. Ka pochine kwi go to J any Simon na I beef na. Upe we nyina wo. Master of the house, what did you get guy?
acha
I'm scared.
what's it
I'm scared.
my daddy gave you money
So mom is going to the other guy come.
my daddy gave you money
Realize you're the